Print on demand. Revolutionizing publishing and e-commerce. Introduction. Print on demand. POD is a revolutionary technology that has transformed the publishing and e-commerce industries. It allows individuals and businesses to print books, apparel, home decor, and other products only when there is an order, thereby eliminating the need for large inventories. This model offers significant benefits, including reduced upfront costs, minimal risk, and the ability to offer a wide range of customizable products. Over the past few years, POD has grown in popularity, particularly among independent authors, small businesses, and online entrepreneurs who want to offer unique, personalized products without the burden of managing physical inventory. The evolution of print on demand. The concept of POD is not entirely new. Its roots can be traced back to the early days of digital printing technology. Traditionally, publishing and manufacturing required large production runs to be cost-effective, leading to the need for substantial upfront investments and the risk of unsold inventory. However, with the advent of digital printing in the late 20th century, it became possible to produce small quantities of products at a reasonable cost. Initially, POD was primarily used in the publishing industry. Independent authors and small publishers could now print books in small quantities, which was not feasible with traditional offset printing. This democratized the publishing industry, allowing more voices to be heard without the gatekeeping of large publishing houses. As digital printing technology advanced, the scope of POD expanded beyond books. Today, it encompasses a wide range of products, including clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. The rise of e-commerce platforms and online marketplaces further fueled the growth of POD, enabling entrepreneurs to sell custom-designed products to a global audience without the need for physical stores or warehouses.